Welcome to MarketingBlocks. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can create marketing assets for your business and your clients in minutes using artificial intelligence. Now, let's say you own a plumbing company or you have a client who owns a plumbing company, KB Plumbing, let's say. You can easily create marketing assets for this business or any business in just 3 simple steps. Step 1 is to enter the product name and description. In this example, KB Plumbers. The description: we provide plumbing services for residential homes in Nebraska. And boom, instantly, right before your eyes, watch MarketingBlocks create 100% original marketing assets for you. This includes the marketing copy and ads, landing pages, graphics, promo videos, voiceovers, high-quality stock media, and a whole lot more. Now let's explore them one after the other. Marketing copy and ads. The AI writes 100% original copy that you could use in your business. Unlike other tools in the market, MarketingBlocks uses real artificial intelligence and not fill-in-the-blank templates. You have total control over your copy. You could set the tone of your copy and even translate it into over 100 languages in just one click. The AI uses the most advanced natural language processing model and has been trained using more than 400 billion data feeds. It's smart and can write high-quality copy for any industry or niche. Landing pages. The intelligent AI also creates landing pages for you, preloaded with relevant text and images that fits your business. In this case, our plumbing business. You can instruct the AI to rewrite any of the sections in one click. Our professional designers have created done-for-you drag-and-drop sections on the canvas that helps with high conversions. Use our drag-and-drop landing page builder to develop multiple ideas, move around some blocks, and watch in awe as the AI automatically brings your concept to life. Use your own media or choose from our library of over 10 million stock images, illustrations, icons, objects, people on transparent backgrounds, and more. You could add an opt-in form directly or through a pop-up to receive leads and even connect to your favorite autoresponder or marketing automation apps. Promotional videos. MarketingBlocks AI also writes a video script, searches for relevant background media, and combines them to create promotional videos for your business. With the editor, you can effortlessly edit each scene, change the text, background media, and background music. Use your own media or choose from our library of millions of stock videos and images. Add background music and render either as rectangle, square, or story-style videos that you could use to get more traffic, leads, and sales for your business. Voiceovers. MarketingBlocks AI creates real human voiceovers for you. The AI writes the script to sell your services. You could edit this script and add your own, or even have the AI rewrite the script with one click. Boom! Awesome! All you have to do now is choose one of the professional voiceover artists and convert the script to real human voiceover using the most natural sounding text to speech technology ever created in the world.
Are you looking for a plumber to fix your pipes? KB Plumbers is a plumbing company that provides plumbing services for residential homes. We have years of experience in the plumbing industry. Let us show you how we can help you fix your plumbing problem. KB Plumbers, trusted by homeowners for over 35 years.
Graphics. MarketingBlocks will generate bulk graphics for your business. Banners, social media graphics, logos, letterhead, business cards, and many more, all preloaded with relevant images and copy. Retouch and edit your designs to perfection using our drag and drop graphics editor to create unique graphics that stand out in a flash. Use your own media or choose from our library of over 10 million stock images, illustrations, icons, objects, people on transparent backgrounds, and more. The background remover tool allows you to edit the background out of an image with just one click using AI. Email Writer uses AI technology to write emails to sell your services. With the AI Stock tool, MarketingBlocks goes to work and finds the best suited stock images for your project from a huge library of all sorts of visual content. MarketingBlocks is the fastest and easiest way to create marketing assets for you and your clients without shelling out big bucks on multiple marketing apps or expensive freelancers. All you have to do is enter the product name and description or just a keyword. Sit back, relax, and allow MarketingBlocks AI to do all the work for you. In minutes, you will have all the marketing assets you need to build and grow any business in any industry. Everything is powered by a combo of artificial intelligence, natural language processing or NLP, big data, and our SMA proprietary technology, all trained to help you build your online business. Right now, there is no software in the world that does what MarketingBlocks can do at any price. And the best part, the free commercial license that's included turns MarketingBlocks into a money-making machine for you, because you can easily sell these marketing assets to clients across the globe and get paid for something that's 100% automated and done by artificial intelligence.
Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you discover how to start managing a successful business by working with the right clients the right way. I'll see you on the inside. Thanks for watching. I wish you good luck in everything. About all the information linked below in the description. Write in the comments about what new and profitable online resources would you like to learn and see in our next videos. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell to be aware of all the new useful resources in the world. And of course, like if you liked the video.